Jopur mag ochele kar pur ma loa Kuja irrigation scheme e sub-county Manyatike dwaro mondo piny owacho okonygi yudo chiro malong'o mar ochele kendo bende okonygi bedo kedo kod winy ma osebedo ka chamo ochele kendo duoko keyo mag piny. Moko kuom jopur ma osekawo ochele wacho ni sani giduogo kod ochele udi nikech gionge kod chiro malong'o mar ochele. Jakom mar jopur e loa Kuja irrigation scheme Okeyo Remo okono piny owacho mondo mi okonygi yudo chirni mamoko mag ochele.
Wan gi michele gunde 79 ni dala kama wauso gi e onge. The other time mano nyoch wapuro kendwa koro chiro onge.
The market also be expanded so that our people can get a benefit of their sweat. We also have the National Cereals and Produce Board that takes paddy. Last season they really assisted our farmers and they took paddy, komboka and pisori. They also said they will take all types of rice this season, and starting with komboka and pisori. Our plea is that we don't have enough storage, so if the county government can assist us to put up a warehouse where after having sold the rice, they can be taken, they can be kept safely before they are taken to the mill. They have promised us, the national government in collaboration with the county government of Migori, that they are coming in July, during that time when the rice is at its milk stage. That is when so many birds are around. So we expect that by July, the government will come, the county government and the national government, so that they control for us the population of birds.